नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ प्रोफेशन सह पैशन को बंचिबा सतरे बहुत कष्ट किंतु सेटा केवल किछि किछि लोक माने ही करि परन सेमिति हम ग्रहण रे जणे अछन्ति जे कि निज प्रोफेशन सह निज पैशन को बंचुचंती सेतिरे ना एज देखा जाए ना टाइम देखा जाए ना किछि देखा जाए। आज आम सहित जी अछन्ति से जणे क्लिनिकल रिसर्च प्रोफेशनल ता सहित से मिसेस ग्रैंड इंटरनेशनल मध्ये। आज जानिबा तांकर जर्नी क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स केमती हुए मेडिसिन्स रे कौन सब डार्क सीक्रेट्स अछि।
People think that trials रे हमें human beings को be just like animals treat. I knew this question would be coming to me one day or the other. Because whenever there is money involved in anything, things try to get a bit demeanor and all. You know? ମୁଁ ना से पेशेंट को देखी के आस्ते भी would have done ECG and फेरी के आस्ते भी would be having lunch and I get a call from the nurse that the patient is not.
माने डेथ को समान कोरिलेट करूचंदी कि कोविड वैक्सीन पाई सही सब जिंस होउची बोली एटार कोठी आपण रिसर्च करूथले माने कोविड पर
कोइ देबी को डिस्क्लोज कर गोटे पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ
सेमानो किछ मॉनिटरी दिया हुए ना केमती कोन
everybody has their own set of compensation.
Okay,
if
okay,
a person is working obviously the person
obviously.
will not work for free.
हां
तो समस्तंकर पर्टिकुलर हेड था.
ओके तो गोटे डॉक्टर रू डायरेक्टली मॉडल रो जर्नी केमती पॉसिबल हला
Then because I never used to what you see me now having put makeup and all these things. I never used to do makeup. And हम coach हम ओडिया families.
हां
मॉडल हम गोटे कोन कह दोची से
एक्जेक्टली सही दिबे पचारली मो जिंसडा
so like that.
केमती कोन फील इतला से जब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बस गोटे टाइटल रे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर
प्रेशर इट आउट
मॉडलिंग करियर रे बहुत सारा हैरेसमेंट एंड ऑल भी थाए इंक्लूडेड थाए बहुत जन कहते बहुत सारा मॉडल्स भी स्पीक आउट करिछन ऑलरेडी बट तम करियर रे जमती कि तमे ग्रोन करछ गोटे फर्स्ट टाइम से एंटर करछ से किछि देखिछ जमती हैरेसमेंट एंड ऑल गवर्नमेंट रो ड्रग गुडा बहुत चीप रेट थाए ब्रांड रो बहुत कॉस्टली थाए कंपोजिशन सेम थाए हाउ
एंड एमिति किछि क्वेश्चंस को नहीं आज पॉडकास्ट सो आज आउ एक नुआ दिन आउ जड़े नुआ अतिथि आज अतिथि डॉक्टर साई प्रसन्ना बेहरा सहित किछि कथा अछि
नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ केम देछंदी
fine thank you.
डॉक्टर डाकिबी ना मॉडल डाकिबी
My qualification, I am a doctorate, so everybody calls me Dr. Sai.
Okay. First of all, congratulations for your success. And आमे केमती गोटे सेकंड बेल्ट लगे दियंदु. हाँ. तो जनरली माने छुआ बळु ड्रीम थिला डॉक्टर हबा या एमती कोन केमती कोन इंस्पिरेशन केमती मिलला
ना छुआ बेलु तो एवढा सब किछि करया नथला. I wanted to be in army.
आर्मी
Yeah, because
Okay.
my father was an army officer.
ओके
बहुत इच्छा थिला. But things didn't go well along my way. I had an accident and
Okay.
Medically I would not have qualified.
को एज रे
I was in class 12 when I met the accident. So for that reason, medically disqualified है जाइथांती मु जदि अपियर भी करि थांती.
ओके ओके ओके
तो for that reason and then सबते बेले I think 2000 era रे समस्तंकर गोटे ही दुईटा ही ऑप्शन था. either you go for engineering or you go for
Doctor.
medical or you go for pharma and all.
हां
So it is just that I appeared for JEE and things happened.
ओके फार्मा रे कोन पई
Pharma रे because मोर सबटो highest rank all over Odisha माने without quota I was 52.
Okay. Okay.
Rank 52. So my father said that maybe God wants you to join.
By
here.
fortune.
Yeah. So that's it.
ओके माने ड्रीम कोन थिला माने एमबीबीएस पई या फार्मा पई
Something which I had my father never forced me for anything.
ओके
इंजीनियरिंग रे भी मोर बहुत भलो रैंक थिला. सेतरे कोटा भी थिला बट विदाउट कोटा भी मोर बहुत भलो रैंक थिला.
ओके
I wanted to. My brother suggested that I should again try for IIT. My teacher suggested that I should again sit for medical exams. But my father suggested कि why waste another year when you have already try something new. So I'm a family से कि farmer रे थिले भी नहीं.
Okay.
So I was the first one, no idea how it was and how it would be.
Okay.
So I entered.
Okay. Go to pass out question.
I did my graduation B.Pharm from Gayatri College of Pharmacy, Sambalpur, and then M.Pharm from Roland Institute of Pharmacy, Berhampur. And then I did my PhD in pharmacology from MKCG, Berhampur.
MKCG, okay. এপর্যন্ত মানে ଏବେ currently কোন রিসার্চ রে মানে ক্লিনিক্যাল ট্রায়ালস या রিসার্চ কোন বেসিস রে চলছে ଏବେ
ଏବେ ତ presently ongoing, there are many trials of actually
Disclose
trials,
करियो
yeah, they are so confidential, I can't disclose all the things.
जनरली ट्रायल्स टा केमति हुए माने व्यूअर्स जाने पे चाहते कि क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स टा केमति कोन
हाँ sure. Actually कौन हुए ना people think that trials रे हमें human beings को भी just like animals treat करोगे नहीं. This is a misconception. Absolutely a misconception. What happens is good trial when it comes to humans ना और जिधर से trial phase को आसे जाए like phase 3 or there are various phases of trials. So when it comes to human trials on a general population सेते बेर को से drug टा ऊपरे 12 वर्ष खंडे research है ये
ओके
So the already से protocol रे इतने सब safety measures नहीं आ जाए था कि patient is hardly on any risk.
ओके
And suppose even if because we are humans, body to body differ करे, body to body का reaction differ करे. So what is done is we insure the patient.
Okay.
Something or the something might happen, so everything is insured.
बॉलीवुड रो जस्ट फिल्म्स अछि जेमति कि पिल्स हे गला ह्यूमंस हे गला सेगुडारे ए ड्रग ट्रायल एंड ड्रग टेस्टिंग ऊपर मूवीज बनची
Yeah.
तो सेटरे बहुत किसी देखा हुए कि ह्यूमंस को ऊपर ट्रायल हुए एंड एमती बहुत जन जो माने गरीब अछन से मानन को पैसा देके ई सब जिंस कंपनीज माने करंती सेगुडा कोन रियल रे हुए
See, I knew this question would be coming to me one day or the other. Okay, and let me tell you what is ata agru na kote lekha ase. Have you properly read it? Fictional
ओके
representation tha. Do you think the guidelines of India or the
पिल्स टा मे बी ये थला रियल थला
Not exactly, not
inspired from true
exactly.
events
inspired from two events, but not exactly the things the way they have shown it. Of course there is pressure, of course there has to be a lot many things which get involved because whenever there is money involved in anything, things try to get a bit demeanor and all, you know. But jitare amara na Indian guidelines are just so strict. You just gote kichi kariba agru भी you will be questionable. So एमती जो है जब देखे ही चिना सब समती basically नुहे human जो आगुरु सब that this whatever has they have shown was happening prior to 2011-2013.
Okay.
But now in 2019 there is guidelines framed. और सेटा इतने strict कि अपन भाभी भी परिवे नहीं.
Okay.
Even if any company or anybody who is getting involved in the trial has to get registered, you have to have that license to do the trial. Then only you are allowed. नॉले अपन को मार्केट रे कई
अरे आपण मानकर किछि एग्रीमेंट्स वगैरह किछि रोतो
yes there is a lot many agreements and सेटा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रो अप्रूव है किया से until and unless it is not approved by the government of India you are not eligible to conduct a trial.
सबडो चैलेंजिंग ट्रायल कोन है म लाइफ रे अब तक
When I started my career, like there was a trial where it involved ICU patients. It's a
Okay.
multiple organ failure.
Okay.
trial. So like मुँह ना से patient को देखी के आस्ते भी would have done ECG and फेरी के आस्ते भी would be having lunch and I get a call from the nurse that the patient is no more.
ओके
So that was the most माने ना as a researcher, as a clinical trial specialist, that was the most challenging phase. Coming, I'm a bit emotional. I get emotionally involved with the patients also get involved in the trial. So देखी कि आसीथिबो suddenly that patient is no more जाइकी how to face their family and all was a difficult part for me.
obviously
Then धीरे धीरे सेठु मु सिखिली, but because that was my initial phase, so then I learned. Now it's fine.
माने डायरेक्टली पेशेंट ऊपर ड्रग ट्रायल हितला ना
हाँ, directly trial. We do trials on patients only.
ओके 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 बाकी ये जो ड्रग ट्रायल रे रिस्क केते था
See, as I said, whenever there is a protocol which comes, माने जो experimental हमारा वोटे आसे the basic steps जो को हमें protocol कहूँ, सेतरे सबू measures है क्या से? You cannot even include a patient. empty किसी there is a particular criteria in which you select the patient who are eligible for the trial.
ओके
So आमे एमते randomly काको भी involve करी परिवानी. So that is a thing. So and we also know that the जितना हम patient को know ना, सेतरे भी हमें the doctor comes to know कि यहाँ पर drug टा एमती काम करी बो, कि एमती काम करी पारे. So that is how we select the patients.
ओके
And then most of the drugs which are getting tested now, like the FDCs, the fixed dose combination, generally are safe. And there are only novel molecules or very few drugs which really have side effect. Like you can say nowadays ebe apankara weight loss asichi, it's a boom. Ozempic is doing wonders, Wegovy is doing wonders. So we are definitely we are testing that. So and apart from that, oncology drugs definitely are into a more risk category.
बाकी एबे बहुत सारा माने अफवाह भी हे पारे, बहुत किछि जिंस रियल भी हे पारे कि कोविड वैक्सीन्स एबे माने तार साइड इफेक्ट्स ता एबे जणा पडुछ लोक मन को, जेमते कि बहुत सारा माने डेथ को समान कोरिलेट करूछन कि कोविड वैक्सीन पाई सही सब जिंस होउची बोली.
See, this is what it's called, you know, that full knowledge na tha loko ko they start speaking. See, ICMR has already published guidelines and ICMR has already submitted report ki amara COVID vaccine ko nahi ki na kichi bhi ye jo side effects so heart attacks or all these things are not happening. So it's a myth.
ओके तो सही कोविड-19 रो वैक्सीन ने केबे किछि काम करिछन आपण माने ट्रायल्स रे या किछि भी गोटेवर
हां करिछि ऑफ कोर्स करिछि
तो सेटा रे केमति कोन एक्सपीरियंस थिला तो सेटा तो बहुत रिस्की भी थिबो
risky, you know, at that moment that was a need of the hour. People wanted to have it somehow. Okay, and people माने suddenly लोगों को दरकार थिला and that was I think government of India has really done a good job. बहुत ही भलो. So we really had saved lot many lives. I can say that.
एटार कोठी आपण रिसर्च करूथले माने कोविड
पर कहि देबी मु डिस्क्लोज कर देबी
आई मीन कि माने इंडिया माने कि भुवनेश्वर
या वी डिड.
ओके ई सब जिंस रो हाइड आउट्स किछि थाय माने किछि सीक्रेट प्लेसेस रे ई सब जिंस हुए किछि
not exactly, no, not at all. See, I would encourage patients and healthy volunteers to get involved in trials because जो बहुत छोटा एग्जांपल मैं आपन को दोची जब एटा ऑन्कोलॉजी ट्रायल्स चले पेशेंट्स आल्सो गेट इन्वॉल्वड इन द ट्रायल से मन को हमें बुझो कि जो मेडिसिन ता से एमते भी किणी की नौ चंती दैट इज लाइक ह्यूज कॉस्ट. लोक एफोर्ड करि पारंतिनी, कंप्लीट करि पारंतिनी तांको कीमोथेरेपी तांको साइकिल्स गुडा कंप्लीट करि पारनंती. बट व्हेन वी गिव देम थ्रू दिस ट्रायल they complete the cycle, सब टेस्ट से मन कर हुए, they get to know the evaluation बहुत भलो ही जाए patient evaluation. तो सत्य भाई I would suggest कि patients should get involved in trials.
Okay.
And ये जो even in smaller things like you have your anti-diabetic drug or your anti-hypertensive drug or like this weight loss drug, everything. जदि आउ सब जिंस मु आपन गोटे बहुत माने यार गोटे हैक बताउची कि if you get involved in a trial you are treated as a VIP.
Okay.
ठीक है जी, like from once you come into the hospital till you go out of the hospital, you are fully taken care of. आपनकर सबू टेस्ट हुए, सबू मॉनिटरिंग हुए, and you are treated so well. Suppose drug trial रे थिला बेले suppose आपन को किसी टिके गोटे खरोच हेगला and you inform that, so we also try to look over it, जोटा कि अपन normally आपन को देखिबे नहीं.
ड्रग ट्रायल जेतबले आपण माने काको अप्रोच करंती या केमती कोन जिंसटा होय
नहीं ना, तो we basically the doctor who is involved is also known as the principal investigator who investigates the drug. He or she includes or identifies the patient.
ओके
तो हमारा गोटे particular set of
सेमानु किछ मॉनिटरी दिया हुए ना केमती कोन
yeah, everybody has their own set of compensation.
Okay,
if
okay,
a person is working,
हाँ,
obviously
हाँ,
the person
obviously.
will not work for free.
हां हां हां
तो समस्तंकर particular head था.
ओके
Yeah.
तो एइथरे सबुठारो कॉमन पीपल कर एमती कोन मिसकंसेप्शंस थाए ड्रग ट्रायल्स एंड ड्रग टेस्टिंग को नहीं किछि तमो हिसाब रे
डरी जानते लोग.
ओके
डरी जानते because medicine रे ऊपर लिखा था only for clinical trial use.
Okay.
Because that cannot be, it's not a marketed drug, right? तो सेटा खास करके बहुत सेफली सिक्योरली खाली अपन को ट्रायल पेशेंट्स को पाई ही बनाए. तो सेते पे भाव लोग को भावंती कौन दे देले हमको माने कौन दे देबे, that is what is their concern. लोग को डर ही जाते हैं. That's it.
जनरली कहबा गले ड्रग ट्रायल गुडा हाई रिस्क थाए माने मन करो गोटे पेशेंट ऊपर एमती किछि केबे फील हेछि कि नहीं से पेशेंट ऑलरेडी डरी कि अछि हमें ता ऊपर ड्रग ट्रायल करबा तो रिस्क हे गले किछि असुविधा हे जबो.
We don't do ना.
ओके
It's
एटा कंसेंट फॉर्म भी थाए. ओके
yes,
एग्जैक्टली
that is we don't do.
हाँ, हाँ.
लोक डरी जाई छी से बिलिंग नहीं करिया पे ना हमें ताको नबुई कोन पई.
Okay.
You cannot take that patient.
ओके
We always sign a informed consent form. We inform the patient whether this is going to happen. You आमे ताको एतकी भी कहू कि आपन को बॉडी रो एतकी ही ब्लड निया हबो, एतकी विजिट अछि आपन करो,
Okay.
आपन को एतकी थोर विजिट करिया पे पड़िबो हॉस्पिटल रे, ए टेस्ट हबो आ एमिटी हे पारे. Like
Okay.
everything is
Consequences
explained.
to jana,
Yes,
okay.
everything is explained, and then if the patient agrees, then willingly we do. We cannot force anybody to get involved in a drug trial.
कॉलेज पर जेतबले तमे माने आपण जेतबले जॉइन करले कि ए ड्रग ट्रायल एंड ऑल रे सेतबले फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस केमते था फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस माने कि एमती
College
ड्रग रे
I just didn't join, right?
Okay.
I was doing my PhD and I was into academics.
Okay, okay.
So, but I did my PG project also on clinical trials. I did it on radiotherapy department in
Okay.
KCG. And सत्ते बड़े मेरा interest है इतला clinical trial करिया.
Okay.
That pushed me. धीरे धीरे that I started seeing how it is done. That सेटा interest है इतला मेरा. When I started it in Odisha, से सत्ते बड़े लोको माने even एते doctors करो भी in-depth knowledge नथिला, because to conduct clinical trials you have to be trained in good clinical practice. So say awareness ta नथिला, so it was a bit difficult in the initial part. Then slowly we started building up a community. The kichi doctors involved hele, so other doctors started coming to know that, and then we carried it on. And when AIIMS Bhubaneswar happened, things became easy.
Okay. तो गोटे डॉक्टर रू डायरेक्टली मॉडल रो जर्नी केमती पॉसिबल हैला?
Not directly, like see, I have grown up seeing Sushmita Sen, Aishwarya Rai, Priyanka Chopra, Diya Mirza. So I wanted also to participate one day when someone को देखी कि इच्छा होता थी फेमिना मिस इंडिया रे पार्टिसिपेट करने. But यार पढ़ारे में इतने प्रेशर मिला कि से I just couldn't. My father said कि पहले career, then that's the reason I could not participate. And by the time I realized I had already finished my studies, I had got married, I had a kid. So by then I thought कि and that time
almost all done.
COVID,
have
almost
more
all done,
life
and
टिके ये करीबी.
that time COVID hit.
Okay.
ठीक है जी तो we were not मतलब of course I was doing my work माने professionally तो every day I used to go and all but relatively ना सतरा टिके हल्का थिला लोड टा तो that time I used to practice yoga meet my friends so they said कि साई why don't you try for Mrs. India तो मैंने move Mrs. India then because I never used to the what you see me now having put makeup and all these things I never used to do makeup and
Okay.
now also I'm a no makeup person because now I have come from a shoot
Okay.
that is why I'm having makeup I don't wear makeup I didn't know how to put makeup and mama bahagara bere hi I think I last had that makeup done professionally so the and Mrs. India re jiba pai to you have to have all this knowledge you have
obviously.
to dress well you have to be very fit
Fashion
and
knowledge
all
रहेगा
that,
दरकार
everything.
वगैरह dress
So but I just applied हाँ
Okay.
करना है try करदा कौन अच्छी then I got an audition call
Okay.
and
कोठी होतले एटा audition
audition happened in Bhubaneswar HHI
Okay.
so I got an audition call and then I participated they said that they'll get back to us after deciding because it takes time then I got the qualification that I've qualified for the audition I got a letter I got an email actually and that is how the journey began
कॉलेज लाइफ रे केबे रैंप वॉक वगैरह करथि
got you
ସେଇଠୁ ଇନ୍ସ୍ପାୟର ହେଇଥିଲା ଜିନିଷଟା କି ହଁ
I said I grew up
Okay.
seeing
Okay.
Sushmita Sen and all.
कि ଯେତେବେଳେ କଲେଜ ଲାଇଫ ରେ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଥିଲା କି ର‍୍ୟାମ୍ପ ୱାକ୍ ରେ वगैरह वगैरह ଜିନିଷ ସେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ତ ଜାଣୁଥିବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବି
हाँ
ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଲାଉ କରୁଥିଲେ वगैरह ଛାଡି ନା କିଛି
I was co-curricular activities is fine with everything, but professionally, if I go, I'm going to choose modeling as a career. I guess in 2002, 3, 4, like even if I passed out my college graduation at 2006, that time also people didn't find modeling profession as a very good profession. ମାନେ ଆମକୁ କହୁଛି ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଆ families
ହଁ 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 ହଁ
ମଡେଲ ହବ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହିଦଉଛି ସେ
ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରିଲି ମୁଁ ଜିନିଷଟା
so like that it was they were not that open minded
ମାନେ ଯେମିତି କି କାହିଁକି ନା ଯେହେତୁ ତମେ ये डॉक्टर वगैरह जिनसोटा थिला लाइफ रे कि हाँ मो प्रोफेशनली फार्माकोलॉजिस्ट होबार अछि वगैरह तो सेथिरे लाइक मॉडल हबा एंड गोटे स्टीरियोटाइप थाए कि क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स माने लैब रे ही रहया दरकार डॉक्टर गोटे तो लैब रू डायरेक्टली रैंप तो गोटे बहुत बड़ा ट्रांजिशन तो सेही जिनस पे समझ राजी ही नथांदी फैमिली रे तो दैट्स व्हाई पचेली
not like that of course mane it was a pressure for me first initially when I applied for Mrs. India I just randomly applied
ओके
तापरे when I got qualified then I said अब क्या करें अब तो सबको बताना पड़ेगा समस्त कहया में पड़े मते तम कहिली घरे
माने टिल देन कहि नथिले
ना मु कहली ओडे दे ओडे ऑडिशन
Okay.
कॉल जिंदी I just I tried
ओके 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 ओके
so then when it happened I had to discuss with my parents my in-laws my husband of course my husband
माने हस्बैंड भी जानि नथिले से समय से
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ
Okay.
କି କଣ କରୁଛୁ କଣ what you are doing I said let me try so he is like very friendly so
Okay,
like,
okay.
ठीक है कर ले then when it happened then he said now what then I said हाँ now what क्या करे he said कि now you have to manage time if you
Okay.
can manage your time then you can do anything
हम्म
so that is how I discussed that with my in-laws my parents मेरे my parents also said कि देख तुम केमिटी manage करियो because you have a small kid
हाँ.
and you have family you have your own profession माने I am an entrepreneur myself I have my own company so how will you manage all these things all together because that time my company was I just started my company
ओके
so but somehow maybe
company related to this
I'm clinical trials, yeah.
Okay. You make drugs,
No, I do trials.
only trials.
Yeah, I do
Okay.
trials. I manage sites. I do all type of contract research.
Okay. Okay, rest आमे कैफे भितर कथा हबो.
Sure.
तो जनरली जमते आमे कथा हले कि मॉडलिंग करियर समती स्टार्ट हेतला गोटे लाइक एमती गोटे अकेजनाली एम स्टार्ट करदेल कि मत करार अच्छी मुझे ट्रायल देदेली बस हो गला चलला बट प्रोसेसटा केमती कौन थाए माने गोटे जदि नॉर्मल झीटे ट्राए कर केमती कौन प्रोसेस जीव
See, I am not a full-time model. So because I am into pageants, because I won Mrs. India or I have won Grand International. That is the
Grand
only
title first I think
India first.
first na हाँ.
So that is the reason that I am approached by brands to endorse their brands or to shoot for some other things.
Brand ambassador I think yeah.
Now I have
yeah.
become the brand ambassador.
Okay.
So Chitra, when I started with this, it was I was not at all into modeling. I didn't even know how to walk the ramp properly.
Okay.
So I got trained in walking the ramp.
Where?
I got trained by Mr. Prashant Das, Glamshine Academy,
Okay.
Bhubaneswar. So he trained me for 2 weeks.
Okay.
So सेठी मु ट्रेनिंग इतली ramp walk रो and then designing and all was done by my friend for Mrs. India.
Okay.
And she is a designer. And then when I qualified Mrs. India, I happened to win. And for Mrs. Grand International, the preparation was completely different. It was like I had to take care of my diet, my skin, my hair.
Miss India and Grand International, what is the difference? Difference कौन सा
Miss
भीतर है?
और Grand तो बहुत
माने कौन टा extra माने
Miss
like
and Mrs. category are different, right?
okay.
So I am the winner of Mrs. Grand
Mrs.,
International.
okay.
Yeah. There is a Miss Grand International as well.
Okay. Mrs. रे first.
Yeah.
माने
That is
India
the first
India
title
first
India
India
won
first.
in 2023.
Okay.
Yeah.
तापरे recrowned hello then brand ambassador. केमती कौन फील इतला से बोले जब ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बस गोटे टाइटल रे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर
Yeah. Pressure it out. See, you win, it goes. ठीक है, खत्म. That 1 year is done. That 1 year you have to work, right?
okay
Then I worked. So what happened is they recrowned me. So again 1 year I had to work. But luckily what happened, every time
recrown कौन पे हुए माने कोई जिनसे
I this was the first time it happened in the world of pageantry and basically for
Okay.
Mrs. It has never happened. Queens are never recrowned again.
हाँ exactly मुझे सुनी जैसे पे पहुँचे
So then it happened, it was like the decision of the organization
Okay.
and the embassies that they thought that due to my good work, what they said, I should continue as the queen for the coming few months, because last time in November basically we have the finale of Grand International.
कोड हुए
The franchisee headquarters is in Myanmar. So either it happens in Yangon or it happens in Mandalay. And the other franchise means the directors are from Vietnam and Philippines. So I think the next would be in Vietnam.
okay
So that is how the major directors are from Vietnam, Philippines, and Myanmar. So and it is like a part of UNICEF and UNFPA. So that is the reason सेठी का सब decision making हुए. So because they were promoting tourism, how Myanmar was under that situation, So they felt that my work was good, their page was getting visibility. So I was recrowned. And but what happened is in 2025, the pageant got shifted and it happened earlier in
Okay.
July 2020. So that is, they had this in the mind.
This July?
Yes, this July. So they had it in their mind and they asked me to continue till July.
okay
Okay, that was the reason of recrowning.
Okay.
That more 8 months, whatever. And this time when I went up there, I had done my final walk. What a final walk thai. The queen who passes on the crown goes for a final walk. And then the winner is declared. So I had done that all.
okay
And I went and sat. So, but before the winner of the next season was declared, I was called upon again. And then the decision was announced that Dr. Sai Prasanna Behera is now the face and brand ambassador of Mrs. Grand International for coming 2 years.
okay
So now it's again the pressure which I have to carry till 2027.
ओके तो एटारे जमती कि मॉडलिंग करियर रे बहुत सारा हारासमेंट एंड ऑल भी थाए इंक्लूडेड थाए बहुत जन कहते बहुत सारा मॉडल्स भी स्पीक आउट कर ऑलरेडी बट तुम करियर रे जमती कि तुम ग्रोन कर गोटे फर्स्ट टाइम से एंटर कर किसी देखी हारासमेंट एंड ऑल
See, maybe I'm blessed.
या
I didn't find any sort of that situation. But of course there will be favoritisms which goes on everywhere, like in every field you find. But it is you who can outshine that. So there were, even when I participated in Mrs. India, there were like 70 contestants. So outshining from 70 contestants is difficult. Definitely there will be favorites. आपन गोटे छोटो
Obviously.
क्लास रे भी जानतु 30 माने स्टूडेंट्स रो गोटे क्लास थिबो तो टीचर तीन
गोटे
चारटा
तीन चार
फेवरेट
favorites
तो
थे,
थिबे
obviously.
that's it. And just like that it happens, and then you outshine those 4 to 5 students is your achievement. And that is what happens. And internationally though it becomes more difficult because there is language barrier. And you can't even talk to your fellow sister queens, the winners of the other countries. And where you are competing also, that country is also unknown to you, and you do not know even their language. So definitely, and wahan pe favoritism play karna is as such very difficult. So I haven't faced that, so I can't comment on that.
हाँ जेहेतु तुम फर्स्ट टाइम सो से पचारे कि फर्स्ट टाइम मे भी किसी होता है पारे
No,
किसी
I-
हारासमेंट एंड ऑल जनरली हुए एटा मॉडलिंग केबे हॉलीवुड ट्राई करे भाभी एना मॉडल्स माने जनरली एक्टिंग करियर ही बाची दियंती ऑटोमेटिकली
Not at all, not at all. I haven't thought. Never
ओके
thought.
नेक्स्ट कौन प्लान अछि मॉडलिंग करियर को नहीं
I'll take it as it comes to me.
Okay.
I haven't decided anything as
Okay.
such. But of course, if there will be like good brands coming, approaching, I'll be continuing with that.
Okay.
So like mukore, and I love doing that as a part of my work.
जनरली मॉडलिंग करियर रे ब्रांड्स जमते अप्रोच करते बहुत सारा इन्फ्लुएंसिंग भी हुए सेटारे माने तापरे तुम क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स थाए सेटा को मैनेज करिया तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होतो कहीं ना बहुत सारा ब्रांड्स आसथिबो जोटा कि स्किन केयर ऊपर बहुत सारा थिबो एंड तुम क्लिनिकल ट्रायल से किसी अलग डिफरेंट जिनस थिबो सेटा बहुत कोइंसाइड करतो
Yes, you're absolutely correct, and that is the reason I do not endorse such products.
ओके
Because where I feel people can't relate to me, what I am saying, and
Exactly.
I can't relate to that product, so I don't do. See, like this pageantry, this modeling is my passion. I do not basically earn a living from this, right? So, but I feel if people can relate to me and can relate to the things I talk about, so that is an achievement in itself. If I can help the society in growing up in a better way, that is an achievement
Obviously.
from this. Okay. So जदि मु देखिबी गोटे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट वाला मते कहूची कि you have to say all these things where I technically know is not correct, then how do you think I will endorse that? I
Exactly.
won't. Simple.
मॉडल मे बी प्रमोट करि पारे बट डॉक्टर प्रमोट करते सेटा गोटे एथिक्स
Yeah, ethics.
Ethics as
ethically,
obviously.
Yeah, obviously, and that is the reason I don't do those things.
ओके ओके
Almost all the international products are basically human tested.
ओके
Even in India, they are tested. Lipsticks are tested. अपन बहुत आर्टिकल्स एबे देखुथिबे कि नेल पॉलिशेस रे एगुडा सब कलरेंट्स अछि which are toxic, or lipsticks रे these are the things. How do you segregate this is a mineral lipstick, this is other lipstick? So these are studies which continuously happen, and then we come to distinguish. So
सेटार भी क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स अलग किछि थाए या सेम
cosmetic trials are also done.
ओके सेटा तो केबे माने
Yeah, we do.
ओके
Yeah.
सेम प्रोफेशन
Yes,
Both
it's all the same. As I said, I am a contract researcher. So if a cosmetic company
Brand,
comes and
okay,
approaches me to do the trials, I do. If a food product company comes
Okay,
to say,
understand.
I do, yeah. So I do all the trials. If it is on humans, I do that.
ओके देन जनरली ऑडियंस को आमर माने कौनटा कहूँ चाहिए कि आपणकर ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म रे आपण अच्छा जमती कि क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स अच्छी मॉडल्स अच्छी तो कौ प्लेटफॉर्मटा से बेस्ट हो पार
Oh no, I have no one to suggest like that. But see, agically the mindset has changed. People are no more just people also take their passion as their profession. Even I would say that because I loved working on new molecules, I loved discovery, I love innovations. That is the reason I chose to be a part of clinical research, because not later I would have gone abroad, I would have got a very settled career and would be somewhere else. Yeah, but I starting my own company in Odisha so that I can give even job opportunities to the other pharma graduates and all. So this, because I wanted to create this awareness. So and आजिकाली का पिलांको पाखरे ना से जिनसटा अच्छी कि they can also turn their passion into their profession. So might be कि they wouldn't earn a lot, but there is a lot of mental satisfaction. And let me tell you, the era has come where people are not striving for money, they are now striving for a good quality of life. So things have changed. So I would only suggest कि do what you feel you are comfortable in doing, and you get that mental satisfaction in doing. You are not under pressure. Do that.
बाय द वे कथा कि बहुत भल लगे कहीं मुझे जिन जानी किसी जिन जानी नी क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स उपर मोर एति नॉलेज नथला कहीं जेहेतु मेडिकल उपर मुझे किसी जिन पढ़ी बट क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स इज अ डिफरेंट जनर बाकी आउ गोटे जिन कि कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन एंड क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स एंड फार्माकोलॉजिस्ट डिफरेंस कौन
Community medicines are also doctors. They are MD in community medicine, and
they do research.
They also do research. And the vaccine
difference कौन माने से माने मेडिसिन ऊपर रिसर्च करते अपन माने भी रिसर्च करते तो
हां से माने तो कम्युनिटी रो अपलिफ्टमेंट पे काम करंती ना कि ट्राई टू इंप्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, लाइक वैक्सीन्स एंड ऑल से कम्युनिटी रो केयर नियंती देखंती कि दी द स्टडीज लाइक व्हिच फूड इज अफेक्टिंग व्हाट, और माने व्हाट डू यू से कोठी कोण कमी रही गला, like is it the iron deficiency which is occurring in the particular region. This is just a small example which I'm giving. Then or this drug is doing this sort of activity, and the vaccination things are basically done by the community medicine department. I would say ki we are thankful to the community medicine department, those who are so much important for giving vaccinations throughout the country.
ऑन्कोलॉजी रो किछि मेडिसिन्स एमती किछि ट्रायल्स रे केबे आछि तो आपण माको कि एमती ऑन्कोलॉजी रो मेडिसिन्स
My forte is oncology.
ओके
So yeah, a lot we do. Yeah, still doing.
ओके सेमती किसी एमती मेडिसिन आसी एपर्तंत जमती कि बहुत अफवाह हुए कि हाँ अमेरिका मेडिसिन गोटे बनाऊँ जोटा कि पूरा टोटली क्योर करदेव एपर्तंत सेमती किसी ही
See, it depends upon the stage of cancer where it is detected. It plays a major role in getting cured and all. So I wouldn't comment on that question much.
ओके सिक्रेट जिनस गुड़ा कॉन्फिडेंशियल जिनस गुड़ा बहुत किसी जिनस कॉन्फिडेंशियल ये सब जिनस कहीं बहुत किसी सिक्रेटली भी हुए किसी ट्रायल्स सिक्रेटली भी हुए
सेमती किसी नहीं. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि ट्रायल्स आर ऑलवेज कॉन्फिडेंशियल because this is a certain kind of experiment which is going on.
Exactly.
So we just cannot let the things out without getting the results or without completely getting it done.
Clinical trial medicines जोड़ा बाहर बिकाई परिवानी
ना
जोड़ा गोटे गोटे एमती को था कि not for sale and all this जिन जोड़ा कौन था
See, once the trial is done, the results are published, then they file, मतलब we do a file application filing
affidavit वगैरह
way for the government of India कि yes the trial is done. So these are the reports. So if the department, the ministry feels that yes, now this drug is okay qualified to get launched into the market, then only the drug is into the market. Otherwise, it cannot come into the market.
ओके वन मोर क्वेश्चन गवर्नमेंट ड्रग गुड़ा बहुत चीप रेट था ब्रांड बहुत कॉस्टली था कंपोजिशन सेम था हाउ
Yes, this question I'm getting so many times, you know. So, see, there's a difference like branded medicines and generic medicines. जोटा अपन बहुत easily दवा इंडिया रे पाई जान. You feel that is a cheaper, the cost is less. So might be the drug wouldn't be working as good as
माइंड ऐसे सेटा
as a minded. But it is not like that.
ओके
They have the same composition, only the जो बना जाए ना टैबलेट को कि कैप्सूल को से बनेला भितरे से ड्रग टा सेम था खाली से कैप्सूल बनेवा ପାଇଁ शेल हो कि टैबलेट बनेवा ପାଇଁ से बाकी पाउडर की आई एम टॉकिंग इन अ लेमैन लैंग्वेज सो दैट पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड तो सेटा रे ना खाली टिके चेंजेस था बट
Okay.
दैट डजंट मीन कि सेटा कम क्वालिटी रो
ओके कंपोजिशन सेम था
exactly and because it is made in India and some are getting imported, so they are done in a lesser cost, they are cheaper. So that is why at the end, because the manufacturing is cheaper, so at the end the cost to you also becomes cheap.
ओके तो जनरली लोक मान भर गोटे एमती माइंड सेट हो जाता है कि जदि आम गवर्नमेंट वाला मेडिसिन नवा तो आम भी ठीक हबानी ये हबानी से ये गोटे आसए माइंड माने जो मैंने वेल एस्टाब्लीश भी था से गवर्नमेंट मेडिसिन मोस्टली नियंती सब ब्रांडेड जिन ही नियंती बट मुझे पचारि क्या दीटा कर कंपोजिशन सेम देन डिफरेंस कौन
Okay, if I'll you have a good pocket, ठीक है, and I say कि Zudio अच्छी
was very
and
level.
Zara भी अच्छी, so सर कहाँ चले?
But that's outfit part. But it are the health ऊपर same.
It's a mindset.
Okay.
It's a mindset. See, there will be coffee which tastes very good just outside this cafe. यहाँ पे mocha latte, cappuccino and all you get, and price is obviously a bit. ठीक है. So you choose.
Almost same. बस place
You
and
choose.
okay. ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ସ ଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ରେଜ୍ କରିଥିଲି ବହୁତ ଜଣ ପଚାରି ବି ଥିଲେ କି ଏଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ଟା ବି କଭର୍ ହେବା ଦରକାର कि कंपोजिशन सेम थाए बट बहुत सारा जमीक प्रधानमंत्री किसी अच्छी स्वास्थ्य केन्द्र वगैरह से गुड़ा भी किसी मेडिसिन मिले जी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स किसी मेडिसिन मिले जोटा कि हाफ रेट हो 20-30% भी मिल जाए तो सेटार कंपोजिशन सेम थाए बट डिफरेंट पैटर्न रे से जिनसा हुए
Okay, I'll tell you one more thing, a
Yeah.
secret. ठीक
Okay.
है? I'm sharing this on whole media.
ओके
I use all Dava India medicine.
ओके
I'm fit and fine. मतलब see, I generally don't have any ailments भगवान की दया से, but my family, my father suffers from diabetes and
Okay.
he has hypertension. My mother also, my father-in-law also, and we are happily जब से भगवान की दया से and like government of India has launched this Jan Aushadhi and Dava India, we have been using this
ओके
and we have been using it very happily.
किसी रिस्क नहीं से सब जिनसा
See me.
जनरली एनीवे बाकी बहुत किसी जिनस ये आम जाना पारे ये पॉडकास्ट ये जिनसा पॉडकास्ट मुझे करी जनरली आमर पॉडकास्ट शो रे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मानक डका हुए आउ गोटे डॉक्टर जो इन्फ्लुएंस करे तो बहुत किसी भल इन्फ्लुएंस करे एंड से डॉक्टर सहित गोटे मॉडल भी जो थे कि से इन्फ्लुएंस करें कि फैशन सेंस एंड ऑल केमती कि से जीवार अच्छे जमीक आम डिस्कसन कले जहाँ भी अच्छी आपन केमती लगे कथा
It was nice. But I still have to say one thing that people think that I am means my degree is MBBS and MD like that. No, I belong to the pharmaceutical sector. I am
Okay.
a doctorate in pharmacology.
ओके
So this is what I want to
Doctor
clear.
and
I do
doctorate.
not,
Okay,
yeah, I do
doctorate.
not I do not practice. I do research. I'm
Okay.
a researcher.
ओके बाकी आज शो को ये रखा देखा गोटे दमदार एपिसोड
Thank you.
जय जगन्नाथ थैंक यू
କିଛି କଥା ଅଛି କିଛି କଥା ଅଛି